for ways to reduce your plastic usage that are still convenient and don't cost a ton of money, these compostable, reusable bags are perfect. I got so tired of constantly throwing out the plastic sandwich bags or plastic freezer bags, so I was thrilled when I stumbled upon these. And I love that they come in all the common sizes that I use. So there's a full-size gallon bag, a slightly smaller quart bag, plus the normal sandwich bag size, and even the small snack bags, which I probably use the most. These are graded for both commercial composting or at-home composting, so whichever way you choose to get rid of them, they are a little bit friendlier for the environment. I'm impressed with how well they seal closed. So there's a common zipper seal and it holds everything in tightly once it's closed. Plus it's easy enough for me or my kid to use. And you can even use these bigger bags for things like raw meat and it will keep all of the juices and liquid contained. I've put chicken in here and kept it in the freezer and have had no messes or things to clean up. And although if you're using it for raw meat, don't reuse these, just get rid of them. For all the other bags, if you're just putting snacks in here or other things, you can reuse them multiple times. My kid thinks it's so much fun to throw away these bags in our composting area. I love that I'm teaching him a way to take better care of our earth. This is such an easy switch for reducing your plastic usage, and these are cute little bags that also kind of show other people that you're making smarter decisions. So try out any of these sandwich bags, snack bags, gallon bags, everything that you would normally use a plastic bag for. Try replacing it with these compostable, reusable bags and make a better decision for the earth today.